Pandobi. Pan, pan, do, do, beep, beep, Pandobi. Plip, plip, plop, plip, plip, wow. I want to go out and play, play, play.
Huh?
Oh. Wow.
Wait!
It's raining, plip, plop, plip, plop. It's raining. Oh, I love the rain. Umbrella, umbrella, ready.
Wow.
Plip, plop, use an umbrella. Now let's play, plip, plop. Raining, raining, it's raining.
Wow.
Raindrops, raindrops, drip, drip, drip. Umbrellas keep you from getting wet. Let's play in the rain. Splash, splash, splash.
Oh no!
It's raining, flip flop, flip flop. It's raining. Oh, I love the rain. Raincoat, raincoat, ready. Flip flop, wear your raincoat. Now let's play flip flop. Raining, raining, it's raining. Raindrops, raindrops, drip, drip, drip. Raincoats keep you from getting wet. Let's play in the rain. Splash, splash, splash. It's raining, flip flop, flip flop. It's raining. Oh, I love the rain. Paper boat, ready. Flip flop with paper boats. Now let's play. Raining, raining, it's raining. Come on, let's have fun together. Paper boats, go, go, go. It's so much fun to play in the rain. The rain stops, the rain stops. Come on, let's have fun together. Rainy days or sunny days, we can have fun every day.
Huh? Wow! Huh? Wow! Huh? Wow!
Today I learned
When you play in the rain, don't forget to take your raincoat, rain boots, and a rain cap with you. We're little farmers.
I'm a little farmer, E-I-E-I-O. And on my farm I have a lamb, E-I-E-I-O. A lamb, ba-ba, here ba, there ba, everywhere ba-ba. I'm a little farmer, E-I-E-I-O.
Today I learned.
Wow! Yay! Wow! We learned the sounds of the animals today.
Oh, I'm home.
Mommy's home! Let's play, Mommy.
Pan, pan, dodo, beep, beep. Pandobi.
My mommy is a cop. She's so great. I love you.
I love you.
Wow! Mommy, play with me the cops and robbers game. I love you.
I love you.
I want to be a great cop like my mommy is. Do-la, do-la, do-la-la. My mommy's so great. Oh, my mommy is the best. I love her so much. I love you. Ta-da! My mommy is a queen. She's so beautiful. I love you. I'll dress up my mommy. She'll look so nice. I love you. I want to be a queen like my mommy is. Ooh-la, ooh-la, ooh-la-la. My mommy's so beautiful. Oh, my mommy is the best. I love her so much. I love you.
Pan, pan, dodo, beep, beep. Pandobi.
Yeah! My mommy is so smart. She's so smart. I love you. My mommy is so smart. She's so smart. I need you. My mommy is so smart. She's so smart. I need you. Mommy, thank you so much. You're so smart. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. You're so smart. Oh, Mommy, thank you so much. Mommy, I love you. I love you. I love you, Mommy. I love you.
Today I learned.
I love you. Tell your mommy I love you.
I love you
Wow! Let's play the hairdresser game. Okay.
Pan, pan, dodo, beep, beep. Pandobi.
Everything's ready. I'm the best hairdresser. Time to cut your hair. You'll look so great. Snip, snap, snip, snip, snap.
Oh,
This one. I'll get you a new hairstyle. Wow! Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snip, snap. Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snip, snap. Such a cool hairstyle. It's all done. Hey, little friend, you look so great.
Wow, good job, little hairdressers. Let's go to the hair salon now.
Okay.
Welcome to my salon. I'm the best hairdresser.
Wow!
Time to cut your hair. You'll look so great.
Snip, snap, snip, snip, snap.
Which style do you want? We'll get you a new hairstyle.
Wow! Yay! Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snip, snap. Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, cut your hair, you look so great. Snip, snap, snip, snip, snap.
Which style do you want? I'll get you a new hairstyle.
Yay! Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snip, snap. Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snip, snap. Such a cool hairstyle. It's all done. Hey, dear brother, you look so great. Pan, pan, do, do, beep, beep, Pandobi, Pandobi, Pandobi.
Time to cut your hair, you'll look so great. Snip, snap, snip, snip, snap. Let's try, little baby. I'll get you a new hairstyle.
Plop, 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 bubbles, bubbles. Plop, 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 bubbles, bubbles.
Such a cool hairstyle. It's all done. Hey, little baby, you look so great.
Yay!
Today I learned.
Cutting hair is so much fun! We were such good kids at the hair